And angle is like 90 degrees and 180 degrees. And
Okay.
it's like where the shape is pointing at.
Okay. Any other who can explain what angles are?
An angle is like two lines. One of them is usually either pointing straight up or down or straight to the sides, and then the other one is at a certain angle to the other one.
Okay, actually, when an angle is formed, when the two rays meet and they have a same point, same fixed point, so they forms an angle. For example, let us say this is my ray AB, okay, and this is my ray, let's say AQ. So A and A, they both have same fixed points. Both the rays have same fixed point. So if I join it, if I combine it, I will get an angle. This is A point, this is my B point, and this is my Q point. So now I can say ABQ is an angle. And how we mention an angle before our name ABQ, sorry, it should be BAQ. Let me tell you the naming of angle also. How we name an angle, firstly we write this value, first alphabet of the starting of your angle, that is B. So firstly you will write B, then the fixed point always come in the center, so that is A. Now it is Q, and before your name you will make an angle sign like this. So angle BAQ is an angle. Now what you can do is, let's say it measures 60 degrees, so you can write angle BAQ is equals to 60 degrees. Okay, so when two rays meet, we have an angle formed. And if I talk about the arms, so AB and AQ are arms of angle. And let me write one more thing. An angle is formed when two rays meet. Two rays with same fixed points meet. And A is the vertex of your angle. So A is the vertex of your angle. Okay, just complete it down and then tell me. And write one more thing, that angles are measured in degrees. Angles are measured in degrees. Arav and Adishan, is it done? Okay. Okay, so I guess everyone is done. Let us proceed ahead. Now, let us
Miss, I'm
understand.
not done.
Okay, okay, complete it. Is it done now?
Yes.
Okay. So on the basis of what is the measurement of different angle, we have few types of angles. Let us learn them. Types of angles.
Miss,
Yes.
are they right angles, obtuse
Yeah,
angles,
yeah, yeah.
and acute
Because
angles?
good, good, good. You are right. So the very first is acute angle. Who know what is an acute angle?
It's an angle that's less than 90 degrees.
Very good. Angle whose measure is less than 90 degree. Angle measures. Yes, who raised the hand? Amira, what happened?
I know what a obtuse angle is.
Okay, what is an obtuse angle?
More than 90 degrees.
Okay, very good. Let us just write it. Angle less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees.
Miss,
Second,
a right angle is 90 degrees.
exactly 90. Yeah, good. Right angle. Angle is 90 degrees. Angle measures 90 degrees. Then we have obtuse angle, as you said. Obtuse angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Angle,
I was just gonna say that.
okay, okay. Angle is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Very good. Has everyone noted these
Miss,
three down? Yes.
what if it's more than 180 degrees?
Yes, we will discuss it. When everyone will be done with these three, then just tell me.
Done.
Okay.
I am not done.
Okay, okay. Just quickly complete it and then tell me.
Miss, an angle over 180 degrees is called a reflex angle, and an
Mhm.
angle which is 180 degrees is a straight angle.
Very good. After that, let us understand fourth one,
I
which is
finished.
okay, okay. Now the fourth one is a straight angle. Straight angle. Angle that measures 180 degrees. Angle measures 180 degrees. So it is like a straight line. Okay, that is called a straight angle. After that, we have reflex angle, as Emmanuel said. Reflex angle. So which is angle which is more than 180, more than 180, but less than 360. Yes, Gurinder, what happened?
Miss,
Yes.
have some water.
Yeah, yeah, of course, you can. Okay, how a reflex angle look like? It looks like this. And this is the complete measurement of your angle. That's why it is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. At last, we have a complete angle. Can anyone tell me what is the measurement of a complete angle? Anyone know what is a complete angle? Okay, actually, at last we have a complete angle, and a complete angle measures 360 degrees. Complete angle measures angle measures 360 degrees. Okay, just complete this down and then tell me so that we can move ahead. Okay, Amira, done. What about others?
No, Miss, I was asking a question.
Okay, yes, Amira.
How does a complete angle look like?
Okay, actually, it looks like this. Wait a second. As it has, it's, you can say, it's two arms combined. So it looks like this. Complete
Okay.
360 degrees. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, what about others?
Done.
Okay, Harinder and Gurinder, Dhanurvi.
I'm done.
Okay, Harinder and Gurinder, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, Adhishan, is it done? Araf, done? Okay, so let us move ahead and understand the types of lines also. We have three types of lines basically. Types of lines. So the very first type of lines is pair of lines actually. Types of pair of lines. So the very first is intersecting lines. Anyone know what are intersecting lines?
Intersecting lines are like if like lines if like two lines are like touching each other.
Very good. So if two lines are just crossing each other, so they are called intersecting lines. For example, let's say these are my two lines. Okay, so I am naming a line. Let's say this is P and this is Q. So both lines are intersecting, they are cutting each other. So I can say they are intersecting lines. P and Q, P and Q forms pair of intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay, now when we have intersecting lines, angles are also formed. If you see, there are four angles formed. One, then two, and then three. This one, and then 4. Am I right? 4 angles are there. So when we have intersecting lines, oppose we have 4 angles and 2 pair of angles are equal. Actually, what the thing is, vertically opposite angles are equal. If I name it as A and I name it as B, so A and B will be equal because they are vertically opposite. Angle A is equals to angle B. Next is, if I name it as C and if I name it as D, so angle C is equals to angle D because vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Is this thing clear about vertically opposite angles? Okay, so just note it down and then tell me. And if anything is not clear, then please ask me.
I don't understand.
Okay, Dhanurvi, actually the thing is when two lines cut each other, okay, so angles are formed as you can see here. So what the scenario is, when the angles are formed, so we say vertically opposite angles are equal. As you can see, angle A and B are vertically opposite. So their measurements will be equal. Similar way, angle C and D are also vertically opposite angles. So their measurement will also be equal. Okay, yes, Amira.
Miss, can I tell one example for a pair of lines? The
Of
types
course.
of
Of
lines.
course, yeah.
I know parallel lines.
Very good. Perfectly correct. Good.
Can I tell what they are?
Of course, of course. Tell me.
They are lines that never meet. They're like
Very
this.
good. Very good. The lines that never meet are called parallel lines. Is everyone done with intersecting lines? Can we proceed ahead?
Not yet.
Okay, okay. Complete it quickly. And who are done, just put the second one, parallel lines.
What did you do for the first word that it says um something?
No, no, actually it is P and Q. Let me make a gap. It is P and Q.
Oh.
Yeah. Is everyone done now? Can we proceed ahead?
Nelly.
Okay. Actually, the second one is, as Amira said, it is parallel lines. And what parallel lines are? They are the lines which never
They
meet.
never touch each other.
Very good. They never touch each other. Let's say this line and this line. So they are going to touch, never going to touch each other. So parallel lines, parallel lines never meet. M and N forms a pair of parallel lines. Okay, just note it down and then tell me. Is it done? Harinder and Gohinder, are you done?
Yes.
Can you both switch on your cameras, please?
Okay.
Yeah. So let us move
My
ahead.
brother's just getting something.
What you said?
My brother's just getting something.
Okay, no problem. Now the third and the last type of pair of line is perpendicular lines. Anyone know what are perpendicular lines?
It means that they join at a right angle.
Very good, perfectly correct. Perpendicular lines. So the lines that lies at 90 degree, or you can say, let me firstly draw the lines. So this is my first line and this is my second line. And this is 90 degree angle. So let me name it as X and this is as Y. Okay, now a perpendicular line lies at a perpendicular line.
Some perpendicular, some intersecting lines are also perpendicular lines.
Yeah, very good, you're right. A perpendicular line lies at 90 degree to another line. And there is one more way to denote it. Like I am saying this line is X and this the other one is Y. So I can say to show that X is perpendicular on Y because X is making that 90 degree angle. So I will say X is perpendicular to Y and I will denote it like this: X, then a symbol and Y. It shows X is perpendicular to Y. So this is the, you can say, symbol to denote that two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, just note it down and then tell me. Is it done?
Nearly.
Okay. Good, Amara and Emmanuel.
Done.
Harinder and Gurinder, are you done?
Miss, we can't see your screen or anybody else's.
Then try to rejoin. I think you have some network problem.
Should we rejoin and then come back?
Yeah, of course. Actually, from my side, it is visible, and to others also, it is visible.
So should I go and come back?
Yeah, but be very quick, please.
Okay.
Is it clear now? Okay, I think they have some network problem, so let us move ahead. Is the concept of perpendicular lines clear to everyone? Okay, now next, let us talk about a circle. Or wait, before talking about a circle, let me ask you all a question. I am drawing a question for you. Okay, so this is A, B, C, and D. I am seeing here two angles are forming, as you can see, angle ABD and angle ABC. I am seeing the measurement of this angle is 75 degrees. Can you tell me what is the measurement of the other angle? Angle ABC is equals to 75 degrees. Can anyone tell me what
Angle
is the
ABD is equal to 95 degrees. Oh no, no, it's equal to 105 degrees.
okay? Is there anyone who agrees
It's
with Emmanuel?
ABD equal to 105.
Okay. Okay, so who agrees with Emmanuel and Adhishan? Okay, Amira, you agree. Amira, why they are correct?
They're correct because if you plus all of A, B, C, D, then 105 comes.
If we add,
Because it's because yeah, D and C are 180 degrees,
of course,
and then ABC is 75, so it's 75 minus 180 minus 75.
very good. Emmanuel is correct because if I write angle DBC is equals to 180 degrees because it is a straight angle. It is a straight angle, right?
How
So,
do you show if an angle is a straight angle?
what you said?
Because like if you if you show that a right angle is a right angle, you show like the corner. Is there anything like that to show a straight angle?
No, for straight angle, there is nothing like unique. For a 90-degree angle, we show it like a square mark, as you said. But for a straight angle, it is not like that. But yeah, it will look like a straight line. Then you can understand that yes, it is a straight angle. Okay, so my straight angle constitutes two angle ABD plus angle ABC, which should be angle DBC, that is 180 degrees. So I know one of the angle is 75 degrees. So my other angle will be 105 degrees. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now let us talk about a few of shapes. Firstly, a circle. Okay. So this is my, let's say this is my circle with a center O. This is my center O for the circle. This is my center. If I join it with my boundary O and let me say it as A, can you tell me what is OA?
It's from the center to the boundary.
Yeah, it is from the center to the boundary. So, what should be the name for it? What should be the name for OA? Dhanurvi, can you tell me?
Uh, like the
Actually, OA is the radius of the circle. OA is the radius of the circle. This is the first point. Then, secondly, if a line, or you can say if a line segment inside the circle passes through your center, let me say, let me extend it. and let me make it B. So actually BA is a line and it passes through the center. So that is called my diameter of the circle. BA is the diameter of
Oh
the circle.
yeah, diameter.
Yeah, so BA is the diameter of the circle. And a circle and circle's diameter and radius have a relation. Can anyone tell me their relation?
They look similar.
No, no. Exactly, they are lines, so they must look similar. The relation is that radius is half of your diameter. Radius
Oh yeah, because the
is
radius, because like when I so like once I searched what was Earth's radius, it said it was 6,000 kilometers, but then in diameter it's 12,156
very
and
good,
72.
very good. You are perfectly correct. So radius is the half of diameter, or I can write it like this: radius is equals to 1 by 2 into diameter. Okay, just note it down and then tell me. Is everyone done?
Yes, barely.
Okay,